Ka All India Trinamool Congress haksi palai jongkatayo kalakam bakadon ni Sabut ki Khlain bha. Halor ke jingkeno ti bean yu Dewiong bat kumjuru ke jingkai bean ya gaba ans IT no sya ke sarkar Jylla bat ke sarkar Pedang bakin le AA no. Kani ke sengsan pertai ke lekenturu ya ke sarkar Pedang bakan chim khialang halor kene kakam. Haba keno ba ke sarkar Jylla klale bamsut nyau ne Thailand dat ikene kakam bean ke Bedang yat ha ke Jylla. Habai keren bikilat pathai kubor unang ilam ke All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul sangma ula keno baga Jingtih bean yu Dewiong ke kakam ke baklam sange ha ke Jylla. Bat kene kakam kadang jor syuk-syuk namar ke jing penslur jong ke sarkar Jylla da ke jing bam le AA ban te lakam. Ula pentip bamenta ula dan ki Sabut ki Khlain bah ban pensisai kene kakam bean bat syan ni ki Sabut unsapha sya ke sarkar Jylla bat ke sarkar Pedang bakin le AA no. Habaong ba kakam Dewiong ke kakam ke bakmi da ke sarkar India. Dr. Mukul sangma uluong ba kene kakam ram jong ke sarkar Pedang ban shimkhia bhai kene kakam bat bomdai ban ailat ba kandang yai beteng. Uluong ba ke sarkar Pedang ru kahap ban shim ke jingkit kliat na ke benta ke bah kamyat jong ke Jylla. Ban pensisai kene Dr. Mukul sangma ula pen iru de ke video na ke mobile phone jong ku ba peni ba kumno ke Jingtih bean yu Dewiong bat ke jingkit yu Dewiong kadang yat ha ke Jylla. Uni unang yalam kaliang persya ula kentho teng eru ke sarkar MDA belayalam da ke NPP. Namar ke jing sengap jare kene kakam bat ong ba kene ke jing le jong ke sarkar ke penslur ya ke jing mi pat jong ki kenhun kai khlau ke bathamai ha ke Jylla. Ula ong baleng ba ke jing yat kakam ti bean bat ke jing khai bean yu Dewiong ki babon ki kenhun ke liok pisa na kene kakam. Kenthop iki brio ke ban pendan kam ke pisa ha ga ban penkha ya ki kenhun kai khlau ke bathamai.
I think let us be very clear on this issue. This has been happening for last few years. What you're listening to or what you're hearing from the media reports based on what has probably happened in the preceding few days is only the tip of the iceberg. Even as we say now, illegal mining is going on. Okay? Even as I say now. You know? That's why we have the hard evidence now. Okay? I'll see whether they act upon this issue or not. Let's see. Okay.
So
we will ensure that this whole illegality stop. I'm giving you my word. Yeah. They must stop it. Otherwise, what is going to happen? I'm telling you, out of these illegalities, many more other forces are getting funded, including the group of people who are trying to float new militant outfits. There is already movements taking place. And with this easy money coming to the hands of people, what are they going to do with this money? They are going to buy arms, sophisticated arms, and create the same kind of problem through which the state has gone through. I have flagged this issue earlier also. Internally, when we had a discussion and meeting with the government, that please understand one thing. Access to easy money because of illegalities will always give access to easy money for those who want to raise war against the nation. It's dangerous. So one has to understand the multiple negative ramifications that this kind of lack of governance and quantum of corruption that is taking place can lead the state to. We must protect the state. We must defend the state. I'm calling everyone, to tell the government to stop this.